Hello and welcome to this new video on my channel. Hope you are enjoying all my videos on the channel. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for the new video. This video is about a new feature release on Microsoft Power BI. So let's have a deeper look at that. Hello and welcome to another episode of Advanced Power BI series. In today's video, we would like to discuss the new feature which will allow you to shift between this UI where the visual is having gaps to this UI where you can see that the visual is completely filled and not having gap. These features have come a month apart for table and matrix visual, and we are going to explore that today. As you know, Power BI is giving a series of enhancement in their visualization. This is the part of that, and the first update came in October 2025. I am here on the Power BI October 2025 feature summary, and if I scroll down, I'll see a feature automatically expand table columns to fill available space. If I click on that, I can see the release notes. It says we have added a new option to the table formatting that makes your visual looks cleaner and more balanced automatically. With grow to fit, any space in the visual is evenly distributed across existing columns when the total width is smaller than the visual container. This is how your visuals look as of now. If you go to the column headers options and choose grow to fit, your visuals will automatically take up the white space and automatically fit inside the space, and your visual will look like this. Similarly, to look at Power BI November 2025 feature summary, you have feature automatically expand matrix column to fill available space, and if you click on that, you will reach to the details, and it says last month table got the grow to fit option, expanding column to fill the available space. This month we are enabling the same option on the matrix visual. We have similar options here also, so why don't we go ahead and try this out on Power BI desktop. I'm back on the Power BI desktop, and as you can see, these are the two visuals where we have already applied the new property. So let me go to the previous page where this property has not been applied. I will click on the visual and go to the format pane. I'm in the format pane of table visual, and there is column headers, and if I scroll down, I see option auto size width is on, and inside that I have this grow to fit, and once I click on grow to fit, you will see that it fills up the white space. I can do same on the matrix visual. Click on that, and now I need to choose the format pane of the matrix visual. Column headers, scroll down, I have options, and inside that I can change it to grow to fit here also. You can see just like the table visual, this visual is also occupying the entire white space available inside the visualization. Both are grow to fit. Now what I can do here is I can add more measures here, and you can see it automatically adjust. But once we have more measures, it will start showing the scroll just like the other option we have, which is fit to content. So when you have measures which are not filling in the full space, you can choose between fit to content or grow to fit. But if you have more measures where already scroll is there, you will not find much difference between these two options. It is now time for you to try out this feature, so why don't you go ahead and try this out, and do let me know what else you want me to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this particular video. Thank you. Keep watching, keep asking questions in comment, press the bell icon so that you can get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching this particular video. Thank you.